Hey, what's going on, Kick family? Now today we're going to discuss oils and smoke points. So we have extra virgin olive oil, we have black truffle oil, we have coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and butter. The first oil we have is butter. Although butter has a low smoke point of 305 degrees Fahrenheit, when used as a cooking medium such as sauteing vegetables, it complements and enhances the flavor of foods. The next oil is extra virgin olive oil. With a smoke point of 374 degrees Fahrenheit, it's suitable for sauteing and shallow pan frying. Also, it can be used as a finishing oil. Cheat code. By combining butter and olive oil, you end up with a mixture that has the flavor of butter but allows you to sear at high temperatures. So the smoke point on these two combined is increased significantly. Black truffle oil is a versatile ingredient. It's used as a finishing oil on various dishes. Chefs not only rely on truffle oil to boost and balance the flavors of dishes with fresh truffles, but also use it to add complex earthy flavor and aroma to non-truffle recipes. Next we have grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil has a high smoke point of 450 degrees Fahrenheit and is rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which can be a heart healthier option than a cooking fat high in saturated or trans fats. Lastly, we have coconut oil. When it comes to high heat cooking, coconut oil is a good choice. Over 90% of the fatty acids in it are saturated, which makes it resistant to heat. This oil is semi-solid at room temperature, and it can last for months and years without going rancid. This is my take on oils. Hope you guys enjoyed it. There's plenty of oils to choose from, but this would be a good set to get started with. Like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next week.